missing someone.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to be friends and you're new here, subscribe down below. And subscribe down below and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. As you read by the title, today we're going to be trying some healthy snacks from TikTok that I saw. And the most pleasing one that I saw is the cucumber with vinegar and salt. I love the vinegar and salt chips. So I'm kind of excited to try that. Kind of scared, kind of excited. More excited than scared. Because it sounds kind of gross. But I do love those chips. And they say that they're better than the chips. So that might be my new snack. And we're gonna be trying it today. I actually bought the stuff earlier, so we're not gonna do this until later on today. I'm gonna go to the gym right now, and actually I'm gonna go visit my grandma, and then I'm gonna go gym, and then I'll do the snacks. But yeah, I need some energy. I'm kind of tired. I need a little kick to wake up. So I'm gonna go get an energy drink at Show Offs. Okay, I accidentally gave a wrong turn and I passed the entrance. So I had to go all around. And honestly, I wasn't even gonna come anymore, but I do need a little bit of energy. Hopefully they have that Alani Nu Ulu, because if not, then I went around just for nothing. Hi. Actually, I need to take my turmeric shot, so. These are for sure better when they're like really cold. Like they're good, but I think they're just better when they're really cold. But I got the Hawaiian shaved ice. I feel like somebody inside this establishment was looking at me because I was parked in the front. I was trying to act all quiet. They're probably like, why is she talking to a camera? They had this other one was a cherry slush or something. Or what is this? Yeah, Hawaiian shaved ice. It sounded pretty good. Honestly, I should have gotten both. But yeah, today is Sunday. Today I'm gonna be just hitting some abs. I'm gonna be doing cardio, and then oh my god, actually I was supposed to go walk my dogs. Oh, I forgot. I should have walked my dogs. Oh my god, I should have walked my dogs right now. I'm gonna have to come home right now. Should have just walked them. I'll see you guys later whenever we're starting these healthy snacks. Which I wanted to pick the ones that I want to start eating, just because they are going to be healthy, and I want to stay on my healthy shit. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so según Javi, he's cooking. We're gonna have it on video where he messes up the rice. Oh no. He's gonna show you how not to do it. Look at us.
I'm not trying to flex, but I mean, I do make some good rice. No
but
flex.
he does burn down the house.
No flex though. Stop.
I swear, I'm not like this messed up to him. 10% of the day, because 90% of the day, I'll say the truth. But, so I just got home. Well,
Yeah, you like flexing your arm and shit.
I'm not you.
Flex, but.
Oh, look at the lighting though. It looks like your arm. Javi, look, it looks like your arm.
Okay, wait. No, I need to get mine too. Damn.
It's the lighting, honestly. Show me your butt.
This is some good.
Your butt. Have it? Find it out.
No.
Your butt. You have to do this though. Alright, but we just got here. We're gonna be recording this video at Javi's apartment because he wants to be tasting the snacks. We're gonna be starting with the cucumber and with salt and vinegar because we're gonna have to let it sit in the fridge for a little bit and then just try it after everything. All right, so I cut the cucumbers and then I'm gonna be using the rice vinegar for the vinegar part. I'm just gonna pour some in there. And then it says it has the salt, has a little bit of sugar. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar. I don't know how much I need, but we're gonna let this sit in the fridge and then come back to it later. So the first little snack that I love this snack. I've tried it before and I've put it on green pepper too. So good. I went to Walmart to buy all the ingredients and I bought this. Hi. It's so good. Chef Javi.
That's it.
No, I think it has. You can do whatever you want.
So we can make it feel in the back.
Just try to ignore the chef. He's going to be cooking in the back. Just.
I'm doing my own YouTube video over here, so.
So these go like this. Javi, does this look good to you?
No, I hate cucumber.
But he likes pickles.
Mm.
Well, I'm gonna eat them all because I'm really hungry.
Well, I want to try one.
You're gonna try this?
Yeah?
You don't like them?
I'm down to try one.
All right. Are you gonna try the vinegar one?
Oh, yeah.
Ew, you don't really like cucumber.
I like vinegar. I like.
It's okay. She's all mad. Okay, so the next step is going to be adding some everything bagel seasoning. This is literally my favorite bagel. I love the seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle it everywhere. More hard.
I'm nervous. Looks like sushi.
You like it?
It's pretty good.
What does it taste like?
No, just like sushi or something. It
Sushi.
tastes fried. It's good. It's a good snack. I don't even like cucumber. It's pretty good.
Okay, so this is how we're gonna do it. So it goes like this, and then it goes like this. And then you put some sauce on this end. And then you put sauce on this end. Like that. And then you put some peps over here.
Is it pizza roll or?
Yeah, they're pizza rolls. And then we are putting the cheesy. And then you roll it like this. Like that. Like Does this look good? Or interesting?
Like it's gonna look pretty. It's gonna be pretty good.
The next, well, I put some oil on the frying pan. And then I have my pizza rolls right here. That's Javi's zucchini. And then I put a mushroom on 2 of these. So we're just gonna put them in like that. Easy snack. Cooked well, that's why they're kind of burned. Rolls out, it kind of like got toasty. I got the one with the mushroom.
Oh, can I try one?
Mm-hmm.
Grab one.
I want you to get like a burned one.
You want me to get a burned one? Or
No.
Oh.
I want you to get... They're all burned from the bottom. Soggy.
I think that, yeah, they're a little bit burnt, but they're good.
I need a little sauce. You know what? It's good. It's good. But I think it's a little bit too burnt. But it's good. But I just need a sauce now. Because I think I'm getting the flavor of like the burn from the bottom. So maybe a little soggier. I don't know. Okay, so the third, one of my favorite snacks. I love this. Well, there's bread. So, the third one is avocado toast. Ay. These avocados though are not mature. So I like to make mine like this. I like to put some cream cheese. And then add some avocado on top. Okay, so this one, you can either eat it like that, or you can add the seasoning, but I love the everything seasoning, so I put it on this. You want to try it?
Oh, yeah. Maybe I'll have like a bite. Mmm. This is my favorite so far.
That's the one I always get.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Avocado.
I love avocado. This is good.
Okay, now I let this sit in the fridge for a while. This is the moment of truth. I'm kind of scared, honestly.
Lots of it.
Yeah, I saved the best for last. I'm just kidding, I'm scared. I'm scared! Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't smell like, oh, okay. It smells a little bit like vinegar. It smells more like cucumber though. Let's try it. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste it?
Yeah, a little bit.
What can you taste?
Like, it's not that strong, the vinegar. You can taste it though.
Is it nasty?
No. Hmm? I like vinegar.
You do it.
You like it?
I mean, I could say, yeah, I see where it tastes like the chips,
Yeah, it tastes like the chips. Exactly.
but just like cucumber.
Mm-hmm.
Why is that what they say? It tastes like the chips, or? Oh yeah, it does.
But instead of chips, it's like cucumber. I think just the smell of vinegar, it's kind of like giving me cosa.
I like it.
It's good. I don't think, if I'm being honest, I don't, unless I'm gonna, I'm gonna add some sauce. Let me see.
You gotta Mexicanize it.
Yeah, I have to give it a, I mean, if I was on a diet, for sure I would eat this. But I think I'd rather get the chips, just because on the chips, there's not like a big amount that I can eat either way, because my tongue starts getting,
Like numb?
yeah, like it starts getting cut and it hurts. So it's not like I'm gonna finish the whole bag, I'm not. But then this, I think this is too much. It's too healthy. But it's good. But I'm not a fan of vinegar. Like Javi. I'd rather put tajin, limon, and salt, honestly. I'm kind of sad though that I missed up all of them.
Well,
Should have
you
put
put so
tajin.
much of it.
I don't put tajin actually. I mean, it's good if you like vinegar. Like, you're gonna love this. And cucumber, because it tastes like cucumber and vinegar. You can't really taste anything else. But I'm adding tajin. Maybe it'll be better like this.
I'm gonna get another little bite of this one actually. Just a little one.
I like it with tajin. Okay. I think I'm gonna eat the pizza rolls. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week. Bye.